Welcome back to another episode of Capture Cars. Here we are at the lake again, the private lake where we took the Lamborghini Aventador last year, but this year we have the Project Pacecar. So I know I'm giving this a stupid name for something so little, like it's literally just a light bar on a car for now, but it's kind of like my goal. So what I really want to do with this car is build it up to a pace car or a safety car, like on an F1 track or like a NASCAR track. They have safety cars, and those basically go around, make sure everything's safe, make sure all the cars are not doing anything crazy where any driver could get hurt. For now, we obviously only have the light bar, but trust me, there's a few more things on the way that hopefully we can do before the car season starts. One of those is definitely lowering springs and wheel spacers. The other one is possibly a wrap. Again, I'm not 100% sure, so either a shop is gonna do it or I'm gonna do it myself. We'll see. And the quality of the videos just keeps getting better. I got a new lens and a new mic. Cost me a lot of money, but trust me, it improved the audio quality and the video quality so much. On that note, let me know if you guys want to see like a how do I shoot my YouTube videos type video, or like a gear or what's in my camera bag type video. I'd love to do that. I have so much new gear that I want to show off to you guys. By show off, I mean obviously teach you guys and let you guys know what I use. Also, the new merch site is now live, so if you guys want to go check that out, it's CaptureCars.us or the first link in the description. I made some new merchandise. The designs are awesome. I'm gonna keep adding them as the year progresses, and on top of that, I chose the most premium materials I could possibly find from countless suppliers. The sweatshirts are champion sweatshirts, so they're super high quality, but they're a little bit pricey, but trust me, the price is worth the quality, like hands down. And by the way, I make such a small profit on this merch, and almost all of it goes to either shipping or running the website, and trust me, that stuff's a little expensive. I just want you guys to have something cool looking and very comfortable to wear whenever you're out. So this was a little update video for all of you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry for it being a little bit short. Trust me, we'll do some more spin classes in the pace car, but don't worry, it'll be in Mexico, the snowy parts of Mexico. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.